Let's see how to create a text area that has dynamic height based on the user input. Okay, so you see something like this in chat-based applications like WhatsApp and the rest. So when you type, as you can see, as you type text, it adjusts, it increases or decreases as the case may be. So let's get right into it. So a basic HTML is here, HTML code. So you can see. All right, so we add add a div, then you can see that's the title. Okay, so let me just put the basic HTML here. So as you see this, you see the text area. So give it a class. Okay, give it a class of message box. So this is how it looks like, nothing fancy yet. Okay, so once you have done that, so next thing to do, let's just tie it and so it can appear nicely. Okay, so that connects to Google font. All right, so then what we now need to do is to work on the other part. I mean the main style. Okay, so margin and padding, make them 0 so that everything fits to the end of the screen, so there will be no padding whatsoever. So change the font family, then the body, make it 100% view, port height, display flex, then and all the other things regarding that. So now this will make everything sit at the middle of the screen, both top, right, and left. Okay, so that's what that CSS does. So let me just remove this div. We don't actually need this div. Okay, so all right. So now that we have done that, so let's work on the message box, which is the text area. So I can appear nicely. Okay, so we have this, remove the outline, and all right. So make the padding, make sure that it's not resizable by the user. So then overflow hidden, while hidden, so that there will be no scroll bar at the right there. So you see that it's not, as I type, so many things are there, so many text is inside. It's actually not increasing yet because we have not implemented it. That is not there by default. So now let's write the JavaScript. So JavaScript, create the variable, that is the message box variable. This message box is coming from here. That is the class name. That is the class given to the text area, as you can see. All right, so this connects to this. So then we'll just say message board dot style dot height, then equals auto. Now what this one does is that will be the default size. I mean, it doesn't stay opened. We are going to see it as we move ahead. Okay, so we give it an event, make an event a key up event, so that as the user types, it adjusts automatically. So we now say we create a variable text area height, which is equal to that this e. Okay, so the e dot target, that a function dot target dot scroll. So you practically check the scroll behavior, so I know and it knows what to do. So message dot style dot height equal to that text area height that we created the variable in line 48. Okay, so we just pass that into that's equal to that height. All right, so once you do that, it practically makes it to adjust automatically. So as you can see, so as I type more, let me just paste this one. So as I paste it, you see that it grows with what I'm typing, as you can see. So it grows like that. So this is something that is handy if you are creating an application, especially if it is based on quick chats apps. All right, so that is what you have. See that as I delete, it also goes back up. All right, so now you see that it doesn't actually have a place to stop. All right, so okay, let me remove this. Let's remove the auto, the height auto that I talked about earlier. So that you see how that works practically. So if I put in the same information, the same data, or the same text, so let me delete some. You see that it's hanging right there, so it doesn't adjust back. All right, so as you can see, so you see that it doesn't adjust back, it's still there. So that just buttresses that what I talked about before, that what you have in line 49, what it does is to make sure that it adjusts back as the user deletes text, or as he removes some text that you have typed before. All right, so that's a toast that. Then you can also make sure that it doesn't go endless. That is, it doesn't just keep increasing and increasing. So you can also put a stop to it to say, okay, you should stop at a certain point. That is very simple to do. So you go to here, just say max length, and give it a number. Let me just use 200 so that you can see how it looks. So max length of 200, so which means that the character that is going to be accepted will not be more than 200 characters. So as you can see, so even if I copy other things, it's going to work. Alright, so that does it for this video. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.